Leo, Maria, and little Sam are coming home from the supermarket. Leo is carrying 2 big paper bags of groceries. Maria is holding some colorful bags, and Sam is very happy. It is a beautiful evening, and the sun is setting. They are walking to their blue house. Suddenly, Leo stops near the front door. He looks worried and shocked. He puts his hand over his shirt pocket. He is thinking, "Oh no, where is it?" He feels nervous because something is missing. Leo frantically reaches into his other jacket pocket. His face turns completely pale with panic. The sunset casts long, dark shadows on the porch. Leo gasps and says, "Oh no, the key is not here." Maria sees that Leo is worried. She smiles gently and looks inside her big red purse. She thinks she has the keys. She opens the zipper carefully to check inside. Maria looks into her purse, but she feels disappointed. She finds a green apple and her brown wallet, but there are no keys. Now she looks worried too. Maria sighs and says, "Where is it? We must find it." Sam walks up to the big blue door. He reaches up and touches the gold door handle. He is too short and he cannot open it. He looks up at the door with wide, curious eyes and asks, "Is it lost?" The family decides to walk back to find the keys. Leo sighs deeply and looks tired. He holds his hand out towards the street and explains, "Yes, Sam, we must retrace our steps. Let's go." They arrive at the city bus stop. It is twilight now, and the yellow streetlights are turning on. A big white bus is driving past them. Leo looks at his watch. He remembers they sat on the bench here earlier. Leo gets down on his knees on the sidewalk. He looks carefully under the metal bench. He sees an old newspaper and a candy wrapper on the ground, but he still cannot find the keys. Maria walks up to a woman sitting on the bench. The woman is holding a digital tablet. Maria holds up her hands politely and asks, "Excuse me, did you see a silver key?" The woman at the bus stop looks up and shakes her head with a kind smile. Maria's shoulders drop in disappointment. The woman says, "No, I am sorry, I didn't see anything." The family walks quickly to the next place. They walk through the automatic sliding doors of a brightly lit supermarket. The store is very colorful, with big displays of red tomatoes and yellow bananas. Inside the grocery store, Leo walks up to the customer service desk. He speaks to Mr. Miller, an older clerk with gray hair and round glasses. Leo says, "Hello, Mr. Miller. We lost our house key. Is it here?" Mr. Miller wants to help the family. He lifts a pair of lost glasses from a small wooden box on the counter. He shows them to Leo with a sad smile and says, "I am sorry, Leo, no key today." Suddenly, Sam sees something sparkling on the shiny tile floor. It is near the glass ice cream freezer. He gets very excited and runs fast towards the bright light, calling out, "Is this it?" Leo walks over and kneels next to Sam on the floor. He looks very closely at the shiny object, but it is just a coin. Leo feels let down and says, "No, Sam, that is just a coin." The family leaves the store and enters a dark, quiet park. The night is very cool and the grass is wet. Leo takes out his smartphone and turns on the bright flashlight to see the ground. Leo slowly moves the bright flashlight beam across the dark playground. The light shines on a big blue slide and 2 red swings, but the ground is empty. Suddenly, Sam remembers their afternoon picnic. He points excitedly to a big oak tree. Leo rushes over, kicks away some brown leaves, and finds a sparkling silver key with a purple keychain. Leo yells happily, "I see it!" The family runs back to their front porch, which is now lit by a warm yellow light. Leo slides the silver key into the lock, and the door clicks open. They all smile with relief, and Maria laughs, "Next time, I will carry the key in my bag with a zipper."